that the sparks still fly? The ghost you left in my bed, the stars you stole from my empty sky still shine in my head. I will ask of the stars in the sky if it's true they're no longer alive anymore. Can they still keep on shining their light so that I might find my way home tonight? When the fire is dead, how can it be that the sparks still fly? The ghost you left in my bed,